Hey everybody, it's your girl Rochelle in the building. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing a little quick demo on these Graffiti Love Print Strawberry. This particular sheet doesn't have a backing. It's very high in quality. Look at image. Just, it's beautiful. So you want to cut an oversized portion. But once you apply the paper potion to the back of the image, it begins to be more flexible. All right. So I'm going to add some slits, cutting at the top. And you're going to have to hold to make sure it stays and set to your chocolate. If you have too much at the top, cut down. This is the cool way to do your desserts. You can add this image to cake sickles, Oreos, fondant, cut you out a heart shape. It works. It's a nice design. All right, you guys, thank you for joining in to this live demo. Stay tuned. If you're not connected, get connected with your girl, bro.